this is going to look really good. So we have to postpone those. Let's begin. Wow. So this box comes with a bunch of tracks, a few accessories, these two engines plus whatever is in this bag. The listing does not state anything about the working condition, but we're gonna find out if they are working or not. First one is Duke Mattel. It looks clean. It's not moving. One moment. 5 volts. Now I see some response. Good, it's working. That's excellent. Yeah, I like when these are easy. I didn't know that this came with silver railing. I mean, whatever thing you call these handlebars. Is this normal? I never pay attention to this. So the next one we have is Salty Hitoy Company. I remember this also make loud noises. You know, the gearboxes always loud. I mean, talking about Hitoy Company. So I see no reaction on this model. I'm gonna give him 5 volts. A little loud, but it's working now. That's good, excellent. So we have Salty for fix and repair, and a little cleaning that's needed. Part of the steam alone. Let me check this one. I see the first problem. Well, at least the exterior cosmetical condition, it's good. But I notice we have a problem with the battery terminal. That is broken. Let me tell you. Let me show you. Yeah, it's about to fall off. And they left the batteries. That's a lot of damage. We're gonna fix that later. And we have James Mattel shiny red color. This one works. You know, it's kind of a little slow. It might have something, but my battery is almost empty, depleted, or it does have some carpet hair tangled in the driving axle, but we can fix that one later. And we have the rod. This one is actually for Duke. I don't know about this one. A troublesome truck. Okay, let's focus on the road vehicles. See, this one comes with a screw. Others, I've seen some of these that they do not have do not come with a screw underneath the chassis. Fresh battery. It's not responding. Oh, there you go. Was sleeping. Boy, that's good. You know, you need to let it run for 1 minute or two so it will, you know, catch up speed and develop the speed needed. At least this Bertie is good. Now Elizabeth. You know, when I started buying and selling this, I always liked these road vehicles, and I don't know why they are, you know, inexpensive. They should be expensive, in my opinion. This one works. Unfortunately, that cord cannot be found anywhere, but I might add some lube. Maybe it does need some lube. It's working. Good, excelente. See, I was browsing the eBay the other day and I found one of these being selling for $150, I think. I think it is $150 or $130. Only because it comes with the whatever window here, you know. Also, let me tell you. Okay, let me go back. Previous video, I thought Spencer was broken because it was making this motion, and I didn't notice that it wasn't, this tab wasn't this uh, slot or hole, where it should be, you know. But this one looks good, clean, and works. Some cleaning needed. That's, uh-oh. I can hear a clicking noise. Like I say, unfortunately, road vehicles, I have never been lucky to find the code for this specific. Maybe it's out there, but I don't know where to buy it. But I'm gonna try to start looking for it. All right, next box. Let's see what this box brings. Oh, I see. Well packed. Listing says for parts not working. I wish I could find, let me see, one moment. Yeah, trying to say Ferdinand's tender. I have a lot of Ferdinand's laying somewhere and some boxes. This Stepney looks shiny. Oh man, look at that. No problem, we'll fix that later. But look at this. It's very nice. Cosmetical. Talking Victor, looks decent. Yeah, decals are really good actually. I've seen others in really bad condition. Now the problem with this model is we need to replace 1, 2, maybe 3 battery terminals, but 2 definitely. Yeah, we need to check that in a future videos coming soon. So since I have 4 boxes, there will be no time to fix and repair in the same video, but just unboxing. And this is, oh, okay, this one looks so. Let me check this one. Look, it's kind of, is my battery dead, or is this the speed of these models? I'm gonna swap the battery. It's getting more speed. It seems that the battery, I think that's the speed. I don't see it picking up any other speed, but at least it's very strong. 4-wheel drive. This one is good. So Henry Stender, I think this one is for Ferdinand, maybe for Toby, I think. Trackmaster Revolutions 2. These 2 Thomas test. The first one, they left the batteries inside. I know this one is for fix and repair. Well, at least there's no corrosion on these battery terminals. Look, fresh batteries, and it's working, and actually it's very clean. It's in decent condition. Yes, good. I'm gonna leave Kaylin for the last one. Next, let me tell you, this one is the worst. See that? Yeah, like I say, I have a lot of these Trackmasters too. We just remove the tab and swap it, and we're good to go. Because the rest, if you see, it's very clean. There's not a lot of scuffs, marks. Now about Kaylin, this is the passenger car. Looks okay. This one, it's okay too. But this one definitely, I read the listing. It says for parts only. Oh, look at that. That's a heavy rust. Oh, this is easy. Or maybe not. Look at that. I'm gonna leave it and show you when we do the restoration for these Thomas models. This box took 20 days to arrive. I don't know what happened to the seller, but it looks like it went for vacation or something. But it took 20 days, and that's really bad, because you are expecting for something. You buy something, you should receive it, you know, very soon, not 20 days. It should be in 4 days. Okay, anyways, we have Ben and Toby. These models are for parts also not working. I like to buy for parts and not working. But this one looks okay. See, the list says not working, but this one is working. Maybe they had not time to. Rooftop, good. Exterior, all over around, good. It's good. Nice, Toby. You know what? We can put the one moment. See this thing? I should paint it maybe, and then glue it to Toby. I remember I saw a few of these customs. We need to paint these. There are, I think, 3 or 4 versions. You know, like a blue side plates, black or gray side plates. I don't remember. I've seen a lot of. And actually, there's another one that is completely black all the way around, but looks really good. I can't say the same about Ben, but at least buffer beams are okay. Let me tell you, I have like 10 of these with the corners chopped, broken corners. I didn't like to sell them because how can you sell something that is broken? I mean, anyways, but right now they're getting expensive, like a 60-70 bucks for both. This one has corrosion. I don't think can fix, but we can. I mean, I don't think it can run with this battery. But who knows? Sometimes even with the corrosion work. No, this is not the case. But that's going to be for a good. Look at the rooftop. It's clean. It's going to be a good fix and repair coming soon. According to the seller, all these engines only needs batteries. So let's begin. Oh yeah, I see that they're looking good now. So far so good. Look, yeah, they might just need some batteries. They are actually clean. This is nice. Well packed, I love it. Cranky the crane, and it's missing one nameplate. I was about to put some batteries, but I noticed.
Hello, I'm Cranky.
It does come with batteries, but unfortunately there is no remote, so there's nothing else to see here. So just tracks. Oh, look at this, flexible tracks.
I load, you deliver.
Or flexi tracks. All right, Cranky. So to be honest with you, I have no idea which kind of sets these are belong to. And we have Elizabeth. So they say they just need batteries, but we have a problem. That's really rusted. I might not be able to open it up, so I'm not even gonna try it. So it's not good when the seller describes that they just need batteries or in good working condition. Look at this, there is corrosion. Can't do anything about this. I need to do some repair with that one. And what I mean is that oh look, this one does not require a screwdriver. It's missing the battery contact. Oh man, this is bad. Sellers should describe the problems that these models have. Any problem that they have, they must disclose it on their listings. That's really bad. I normally don't leave. Look at that. I normally don't. I never leave a negative feedback, neither neutral. But I mean, it was looking okay. Look, I am not making this up. Electronic trains from Tomy all need batteries, and all in pretty good conditions. Well, I was really happy at the beginning, but now this is bad. Well, it's not really bad actually. We can do this a fix and repair. That's good. But the problem is that the seller must disclose all the conditions to the buyers on their listings. Now there is another. I have no clue about this, where they come, but I know these are minis. We know these are Trackmaster Revolutions, but I have no clue. Is this ERTL? It says Guyane, Bandai. It looks like someone tried to bite it. Zebra, whatever. What is this? Thomas. Gator or Gator. What is this? I don't even know the face. Henry. Shark. Here is another problem. That has a corroded battery, but let's see if it works. Fresh batteries, and I don't see anything moving. It's not working. Well, this is gonna be just an unboxing, and maybe try and see if they work. And also there is a little bit of battery corrosion, maybe not a big deal. Fresh battery, and it's working. Little noisy, broken dummy wheel, but it's okay. At least it's one, but still we can make some fix and repair. See, all what we gotta do is what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna contact the seller. Either way, he can well, this one's working. Dead batteries. The seller might fix the problem. Even it can accept the return or issue partial refund, but whatever the seller wants. I think I returned it only once in my 14 years buying and selling. I returned it only once, one model, SC Roofy. S.C. Roofy. It's not Scroofy. Well, that's what I think. Okay, let's begin with Percy. That's a triple screw. This is turning really bad unboxings today. Look, there's corrosion, there's rust. I don't think, maybe it works. It works. A good thing is that I do have a lot of these Trackmaster Revolutions, so I'm just gonna swap the top here and the rest is history. Again, I'm thinking maybe I'm just gonna return this. This is bad, not really good. You know what, I'm gonna send the seller a message, see if he can accept the return. I mean, the listing clearly says only need batteries in good condition. They are not real, they are far from good condition, you know. Terrible unboxing today, guys. Really bad. At least this one works. Long lever. That's bad.